got a lot of this shit like this, nigga. And I ain't even said it or wrote it yet. I just feel it, you know? Yeah. Overtime, cause I ain't have a mic. I was in that Chevy. Yeah. Overtime, cause I ain't have a mic. I was in that Chevy playing Savage Life. Niggas looking like I had it wrong. Now them niggas know I had it right. They don't know about them sleepless nights. Them looking for a reason nice. They said 6 degrees in life. Opportunity, preparation, they meet us nice. You see me up in Neiman's, right? My chain and my pinky bright. A valet is Mercedes Benz. Looking like somebody that people like. Can't but help to think how fake it is. This world and this music biz. I just want all of this paper though. So maybe I could try and change the shit. Maybe me, I'm too ambitious. Or maybe this a new dimension. Maybe them, they too religious. Maybe they judge my intentions. But either way, I'm on my mission. In the sky, for our love, I'm a tired ribbon. Life's a bitch, lady, love my women. Forever you my lady, I'm your fucking nigga. Overtime, cause I ain't have a mic. I was in that Chevy playing Savage Life. Niggas looking like I had it wrong. Now them niggas know I had it right. They don't know about them sleepless nights. Them looking for a reason nice. They said 6 degrees in life. Opportunity, preparation, they meet us nice. Capping for a cheaper price. Hustling for a bucket, keep your sneakers tight. Shoot a box, catch the cheapest flight. If it land, thank you, Jesus Christ. You ain't gon' get it till you see it right. And jump off in this legal life. Feel the pressure from your people, right? But still choose to lead them right. Sometimes I rap about my feature price. Or all of my defeats in life. They told me don't believe the hype. But I felt like this about myself before the mic.
And, you know, if you look at like the movie industry, you don't base the success off how many tickets sold. You like, what's the growth? How much you gross? Period. Right? When it comes to business, the bottom line is, you know, we in business to make money. How much you gross? And so it's like, I feel like it's a looming question mark over Hollywood, over the entertainment music industry. What's the new business model? And to me, you know, the people that lead to that answer, and then they intelligence, they hustle, they effort, they mind power, they, you know, whatever they can offer to that question, introspection, that coming up with an answer to that. I feel like that's one of the most important things going on. Like in the 60s, they were trying to get to space. It was a race space. They were trying to go to, you know, the moon. And then it was like, they had industrial revolutions. And right now, I think it's the business model creators of this new era that's going to be able to be the titans of business moving forward. People that create new business models, you know, as well as products that, you know, are sold and consumed, and services that are consumed via these models. But I feel like the giants are going to be the ones who create the business models. But that's what we're trying to do with this Proud to Pay. Fuck the middleman. And, you know, this disruptive multimedia collab that I'm doing with Ryan Leslie.
Overtime, cause I ain't have a mic. I was in that Chevy playing Savage Life. Niggas looking like I had it wrong. Now them niggas know I had it right. They don't know about them sleepless nights. Them looking for a reason nice. They said 6 degrees in life. Opportunity, preparation, they meet us nice.
Listening to a high scenic production.
Now, I don't never wanna hear you niggas say you doubt this shit again. Look, fake niggas don't show me love, and all you fake bitches, I don't want your hugs. I got this pistol with a gang of hundreds, and this drop Mercedes-Benz get done blunted. Don't be surprised if you don't get what you never wanted. I'm on my 5th fly whip while you ain't never stunted. Never going broke, funny cause I never budget. Lot of niggas round now that I ain't never fuck with. That's why I'm in and out of town, out in other countries. It's like the less I come around, the more I get money. And I've been catching wind lately that the feds want me. But I'm gon' keep getting richer, it's gon' get ugly. So my mama, I'm a gangbang graduate. Pioneered the transition from this crib, it wasn't easy, nigga, but I mastered it. That's why I still deliver rap so passionate. Built my own lane, ain't no nigga ever hand me shit. Sloss and Nav, do you understand the averages? The fact I'm still standing speaks values to my savage. We lust lavishness and aim for extravagance. Even if it's only temporary, at least we had the shit. I pressed the gas till 160 on the dash and sit. My bitch lit the blunt and passed the shit. Look, iPhone 4s and life on tour. Get 5 racks every night. What's the price on yours? I'm down to splurge on my bitch cause I don't wipe no wars. Get the whole fall collection if she like that store, baby. Grind crazy, that's just how this life made me. Trust funds for money. In case this life take me, I live it to the fullest. Never let this life break me. Thus far, it's been a cold demonstration. Number one question now is, did the fame change me? Fucking right, dumb nigga. Should I be still gang banging? Wait, hold up, hold that thought. Take these shots and tell my niggas that's I beat a marathon. Don't stop before I sell my soul. I give my life. It's been a minute, but we gon' get right. Watch. Hustle, music. I'm out here on a mission and I'm all alone. I'm far from where I'm going and I'm far from home. Somehow I know I'm moving in the right direction. My mama always told me I was gonna be special. I'm out here on a mission and I'm all alone. Was far from where I'm going and I'm far from home. Somehow I know I'm moving in the right direction. My mama always told me I was gonna be special. Hustle. Yeah. The motherfucking marathon continues. TMC, nigga. I think I'ma drop 2 discs on you niggas this time. I feel I can keep going.
I'm up about 100.
Look, I'm from West Side, California. They run up on you. Ask you where you from and check your tats under your clothing. Hustle, go hard, make sure my knot's swollen. Fuck you, say the wrong hood, bullets explode, and I trust few people these days, cause that's gold. I seen niggas get killed for who they roll with and chose to keep inside they circle. Satan sitting on your sofa. Same nigga that shot you was the one you used to smoke with. Cold shit, my whole clique notorious. You heard of us, 6 soldiers, murderers, you still serving clubs. Jealous nigga, you broke as fuck, yo bitch on my nuts. Spilling Patron out my cup, she can't get enough. Buffing me down as I puff on the finest kush. They say I be doing too much, I just do my stuff. Hustle, blue laces, shell cases. Check bodies, we don't leave no traces. Big faces, suitcases. If you ain't no hoe, we getting paid, bitch. Blue laces, shell cases. Catch bodies, we don't leave no traces. Big faces, suitcases. If you ain't no hoe, we getting paid, bitch. I got Slauson on my back, Ed Hardy on my hip, weight of the world on my shoulders, gold rollie on my wrist. Neighborhood chucks, blue checkerboard tip, Dickie sagging off my ass, walk with a Hussle limp. 2 bricks on my white tee, same color cocaine. I ain't talking dope, I mean the price of my gold chain. All money in, no money out, that was my slogan. What I mean by that is stack it up and don't spend no change. I started small time, dope gang, cocaine. 7 grams, 30 rocks, that was my program. The block propane, young nigga, no change. Shoot out with no aim, so they know your name. Cause where your mama paid rent, that was your game. So when your homeboy bled, that was your pain. And if y'all both catch a case, you don't say no names. That's just the code of the color of my shoestrings. Blue laces, shell cases. Check bodies, we don't leave no traces. Big faces, suitcases. If you ain't no hoe, we getting paid, bitch. Blue laces, shell cases. Catch bodies, we don't leave no traces. Big faces, suitcases. If you ain't no hoe, we getting paid,
so many
bitch.
places, seen so many things. Niggas turn against me, tryna chase that green. This ain't living. This ain't living, no. night, hustling every day while homies passing away. No, this ain't living. This ain't living. No.
What happened to the code? Streets is all in shambles. Niggas pondering they know. Put the shame to what we stand for. They think we on some killing other niggas shit. We really on some stay down and diligent. The streets is cold, turn innocence to militants. Young niggas gang banging for the thrill of it. Pops was gone, moms was never home. The streets was right there, so they took you as they own. Blue laces, shell cases, check bodies, we don't leave no traces. Big faces, suitcases. If you ain't know, oh, we get paid, bitch. Blue laces, shell cases, catch bodies, we don't leave no traces. Big faces, suitcases. If you ain't know, oh, we getting paid, bitch. Nipsey on they titties, more game than ESPN. I turn these hoes to lesbians, make her fuck her best of friends. Get here for 1 hour, smoke a blunt and catch my second win. I've been off my tour, but she probably just had sex with him. She's out of your possession, you cannot protect her. Then South Central, that's my residence. Deadly like those 7 cents. And if I'm not the king of this, I must be the president. OMG, I'm ill as shit. Money is my medicine. Shout out to my niggas in the pen, text messaging. Shout out to them bitches getting it in they crevices. Conjugal visits make sex seem so irrelevant. Forget about the risk we took, I never can. Rebel in this white man's world until they bury him. Being broke is so un-American. That's why I'm screaming all money in till the end. Nigga. About the county jail, they held us both without no bail. 10 stacks to my lawyer, said a prayer that we prevail. Jealous niggas hated that, love to see a nigga fail. Miss me with that, bro, I love you. Suck a nigga, be for real. Fake as $4 bills. Hit the gas, we out of here. On our way to Fox Hills, spinning like we got a meal. Smoking so much kush, it got us feeling like we off a pill. They know we got dollars still, them bitches know they got the bill. Eating Benihana's daily, drive my baby mama crazy. Name a nigga that could fade me, pussy that does not persuade me. Got a swag that make them hate me, plus we never shop at Macy's. Louis V and Gucci maybe, Neiman Marcus, blue Mercedes. We was both familiar faces, spending thousands, dodging cases. And fuck a bottle, bringing cases, what we told the waitress. Then pop Clico, for all of y'all that tried to play us. Dedicated to all you niggas, all you fake bitches. SB, what up, bro? The marathon continues, my niggas. Yeah, keys to the motherfucking city. We got that. Cali on my back. The new voice LA, and I speak for you niggas. Hussle. Drake Pass, Def Jam, Capital Atlantic 2. Thought that I'd be dead or doing life, cause what I rap is true. Just another you know who, Sam had some time to do. And yeah, Steve is cool, but I heard Big U's an animal. Fuck what they was talking about, we just did what we had to do. Became the most valuable. after I drop value 2, on the West Coast at least. Now for the West Coast I speak, cause on a level 4 with guilt bone is where I'm supposed to be. I be on some business shit, y'all bring out the loc in me. And like a broke weed head, my pistol is smoke for free. Imani ain't gon' know the streets, gotta keep it close to me. Put that on the man that's on the cross on my rosary. Wasn't always banging, but I speak about it openly. No shame in my game, I did my thing on the coldest streets. Who the hottest on the West? All you niggas know it's me. So tell whoever got it locked that Nipsey Hussle stole the key. Nigga, yeah, yeah.
Cause I do what I need, and that's the reason that they love me, cause I've been making money. To the city,
Pop bottles, count cash.
it feels good to
Fuck
be
bitches, love life, my nigga. You only live once. For damn sure we gon' leave this motherfucker. Slaughter boys, all money in, no money out, nigga. Yeah. Me and my nigga Red Paul was on the way to the studio. And Cuz had that Wiz and Currency mixtape in the tape deck, the City Changer. And I heard this beat, I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah, you know, only thought it's right for my 58,000 league. Shit on, here we go, like this. Look, 7 days a week, 7 different freaks, but I got tired of fucking hoes, so I just smoke and count my cheeks. Watching Godfather, leather couches, flat screens. I say I'm on this marathon. She asked me what does that mean? Ain't no puffin' pass, please. Roll your own, I do the same. Girl, get on that Marlon Brando and stop trying to pick my brain. Your boyfriend is a lame, that's why you not used to this game. And if you looking for me, I'll be first class on the plane. X-name my landing gear, cause I don't need no runway. My final destination is a cloud since a one-way. Fucking with them streets, ain't no stranger to this gunplay. But now I eat these beats and I don't never take a lunch break. Back to back, swishing sweets, never grown no sober shit. Post-traumatic stress, I feel like that's what I'm coping with. So I smoke the best, impossible not to notice this. 30,000 feet up across the Atlantic Ocean with a pack of swishers. In the box I ain't even open yet. I'm trying to live my life so when it's over I got no regrets. Multiply what you approach it with. Got to roll the dice, but the first time that you can go legit. Seize the opportunity, believe and take control of it. Then get on your marathon and run it till it's over with. Napa Valley Dolce, my cup runneth over with. My trunk is in my roof, hey, you know who you rolling with. Hustle. Hustle.
I know a place we can go where you can be yourself and you ain't gotta worry, and we ain't gotta rush cause we not in no hurry. You can't be afraid to let go. You gotta let go of yourself, but you ain't gotta worry cause this gon' take some time, but we not in no hurry.
58,000. This marathon continues. Yeah. 25-8, nigga, we do this shit, ain't no breaks, nigga. Live this shit. I am this shit, nigga. All that. Call me Young Nipsey, no Rose Clico. Talking to my girl while your bitch give me deep though. Shooting at the world, dog, cause life is just a free throw. Shopping on Rodeo and some Dickies, that's my stilo. Played out pussy, please don't offer me no sex.